Hello everyone. Welcome to TELLS Videtionary. Today, October 9th, our word of the day is zealot. Z-E-A-L-O-T. Zealot. Zealot is a 6-letter word and a noun. Remember, a noun refers to a thing, a person, an animal, a place, a quality, an idea, or an action. Zealot is a person who has very strong opinions about something and tries to make other people have them too. Similar words include fanatic, enthusiast, extremist, crusader, radical, diehard, activist, militant, drumbeater, partisan. Examples of sentences using zealot are: the coffee lover was a zealot regarding where his coffee was grown, who grew it, and how it was roasted. Zealots on both sides of the issue resorted to name-calling and scare tactics. They resisted all the zealots who told them that they should not settle for second best. He was forceful but by no means a zealot. However, these days he is surrounded by zealots and has succumbed. People said he didn't support faith, an interesting claim since others labeled him a religious zealot. Make sure to save this new word, zealot, so you can practice using it in your everyday sentences. That's all for today. Thank you for spending your time with me. I hope you learnt something new. Don't forget to like and share this video, subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so you receive similar videos every day. Have a fulfilling day. See you tomorrow. Cheers.